Let's all agree that the YouTube Studio app is great, but some features are only available on the website, and that calls for you to have a laptop or a computer. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to access the web version right on your smartphone. And it is as easy as going to your browser. I'm using Chrome, and then go to the search bar and then type studio.youtube.com. Okay, that's the URL that you're supposed to search, and then search it. It will take you to this page. Just tap on the continue to studio. This is the button that is right on the bottom. Continue to studio. And while you are on this page, maybe yours doesn't appear like this. You're supposed to tap on the three dots, and then you just check the desktop site, right? Check it, and it should reappear as the desktop application or the website. And you can now access some features. The only downside of this is that icons will appear smaller and some text will appear smaller, and your screen may not be able to accommodate all of them, so you have to the icons as they are. And that's it. It's a simple trick, but it will save your life. And it is that simple to access the YouTube Studio web on your smartphone. Be productive and see you on the next one.